Hello, viewers and subscribers. So today I will post a video of myself saying this meme from Victoria's that will be quoted as, "Andre, there's a helicopter in the kitchen." I will be saying that quote in a variety of different languages through the 4 different voice settings in this mini voice changer. And I've already made a language accent video for Andre, there's a helicopter in the kitchen. As well, in this video, I have the intentions to use the languages and translations that would be the same from the language accent video. And I will start off in English. Oh, also as well for saying this quote through different languages and all that stuff, I think I'll try to act out the character, that said that quote, which would be a grandma of the character named Andre in Victoria's, who is quite kind of psychologically crazy or whatever woman. Yeah. I'll start off in English now. Andre! There's a helicopter in the kitchen! 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 Next language is Spanish. The translation I'll try to say in Spanish is, Andre, hay un helicóptero en la cocina. And also, for speaking very different languages for this quote, I do not plan on, translating Andre's name, since generally it wouldn't really be easy to find a translation for Andre's name, and the fact that it's to be treated as a person's name. Andre! Hay un helicóptero en la cocina! 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 Next language is Tagalog. The translation I'll try to say in Tagalog is, Andre, merong helicopter sa cocina. Andre! Merong helicopter sa cocina! 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 Next language is French. The translation I'll try to say in French is, Andre, il y a un hélicoptère dans la cuisine. Andre, il y a un hélicoptère dans la cuisine! Andre, il y a un hélicoptère dans la cuisine! Andre, il y a un hélicoptère dans la cuisine! Andre, il y a un hélicoptère dans la cuisine! Last language I'll do is German. The translation I'll try to say in German is, Andre, in der Küche strit ein hubschrauber. 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 viewers and subscribers enjoy this victorious helicopter kitchen meme language mini voice changer video. Enjoy this video. Thank you so much.